Have you ever wondered what would take your business to the next level? Do you wish you could handle customer data more efficiently? If so, look no further. You see, before the coming of CRM softwares, businesses had to deal with customer data the old school way. This would result in a greater degree of error, greater risk of loss of data, and just more hassle. But luckily, there's a solution to all of this. Referred to as CRMs or Customer Relationship Management Softwares, CRMs specialize in helping a business better access customer data by connecting different departments into one close-knit system. This results in direct access to real-time client information, which also allows for excellent coordination between team members and customers. But why use a CRM software, you may ask? Since customers are always the target of enterprises, in order to gain a competitive advantage while also increasing potential customers, businesses must utilize information technology instead of the outdated methods. CRM softwares gather all information into one place while integrating with computer equipment to handle customer inquiries during any time of the day actually. CRM also helps track customer attendance and behaviors and in order predict future service development trends. Customer profile data is also shared in devices with high access speeds, therefore also saving space. Okay, there are a lot of different CRM softwares, but I'll be talking about two. First is the HubSpot. HubSpot is my personal recommendation. Another one is Zoho, but first, let's start with HubSpot. HubSpot is built with simplicity in mind. It is very easy to set up and has 5 key features as its selling points. The first is the dashboard. Its collection of reports let you track people's interactions and deals in one location. Such include meetings and tasks done in a given period, or total deal values per page. The second feature is contacts. This section allows you to basically sort customer and lead details from over 100 different fields. The third feature is tasks. Tasks can categorize tasks in multiple ways, and you can access all of the tasks and associated records in 7 different ways. Probably its biggest feature is their sales tools. Sales tools are a game changer, as snippets let you save pre-written replies to common questions, while templates allow you to create standard email replies to prospects. On top of that, documents allow you to know who interacts with your content and for how long, while meetings allow for a personal widget to schedule a meeting with you through a specialized link. The HubSpot CRM will make your sales team function with more insight and coordination. Next up is Zoho. With Zoho, it was voted as the overall best CRM of 2018 by many sources, as it is very easy to use and targeted for small businesses. There are free and paid subscriptions, as you basically pay for what you need. While the free version is good, the gem of the CRM comes in the paid subscriptions. Their features make them one of a kind, and that is the reason why it is regarded as the best CRM. The first feature is lead management. This allows a view of the list of leads alongside pertinent contact info. The next feature is tasks, which shows users items that need to be taken care of immediately. Workflows put a business in charge by automating tasks, while at the same time also self-operating tasks. And one of the biggest features for Zoho is email integration. Email integration allows Zoho to integrate in an already existing email environment, which allows for easy sharing of email information. On top of that, being multi-channel ready allows businesses to engage with customers by either email, phone, or even live chat. To wrap things up, in this competitive market, businesses have to deal with marketing and customer care challenges by the day. In order to be successful, using technology to maximize performance is ideal in today's world. So long are the days where the old school method will help you in creating a competitive advantage over your peers or even your rivals. CRM softwares not only help with understanding customer behavior, but also transform challenges into opportunities for businesses. They do this by combining simultaneous management of sales, marketing, and customer service. It is very important to choose a software that fits your current needs while ensuring cost savings, stability, and multiple enhancements to add new features in the future. Both Zoho and HubSpot accomplish this, however, one might be more suitable than the other depending on your business's objectives. I have researched the best CRMs in the markets along with my own personal recommendation, and now it is up to you to decide which one to move forward with. Thank you, and I appreciate you listening.